Hello, this is Mr. TikTok. So you are trying to get yourself a new laptop. Here are a few things from the top of my head that you should consider. Number 1. What is your budget, or how much are you willing to spend? Decide what you are going to be using it for. If you are going to be using it just for surfing the net, watching YouTube, Netflix, then word processing, do not get a computer with dedicated graphics. No more than 8 gigabytes of RAM. You would just be wasting money for a computer that is overpowered for you. Number 3. Do your research. Sometimes you can get a whole lot more with a cheaper product that doesn't have all the bells and whistles but has much more power for half the price. Number 4. Considering the date of the video, take advantage of the Black Friday deals, but also make sure it is really a deal and not just a clearance. 5. It is very important to decide what operating system you feel more comfortable with, or maybe you want to go out of your comfort zone and leave Mac for Windows, or vice versa. Number 6. Now that we mentioned operating systems, don't become a blinded fanboy. Neither of the operating systems is perfect. 7. What form factor do you want? By that I mean, do you want a regular laptop? If you are getting a Mac, just know that this is your only option. Or do you want a 2-in-1? Or if you have enough money, maybe a detachable. Number 8. I really do not recommend you getting less than 8 gigabytes of RAM. If you want a smooth experience on a modern day operating system, you need 8 gigabytes of RAM. I also recommend you getting a SSD instead of an HDD. You will be getting much faster boot times than a much more preferable experience with an SSD as your main storage drive. I hope my simple tips and recommendations help you out. If they don't, you can leave me a question in the comments. This was Mr. TikTok. Until next time.